OpenRouter revolutionizes AI model testing by offering a cost-effective and efficient solution. Test models like GPT-3.5 Turbo, Mythmax 13B, and Mistral 7B to optimize performance. Compare the token limits of models like Thiel 7B, Max, and GPT Turbo using system prompts to assess their capabilities in generating detailed product specifications. Utilize OpenRouter's Marone formatting for efficient multi-model comparison, gaining insights into cost-effectiveness and performance. Explore practical applications by developing a cooking website where models like GPT Turbo and Mythmax suggest recipes. Discover the importance of detailed experiment planning. Navigate the challenges of testing multiple AI models simultaneously. Experience the significance of user research and feedback in enhancing performance.